What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. I got a super chat to go over Pippi, so that's what we're going to do today. Market cap of $214,000 with a 55K liquidity, has 6.9% gain for the last 24 hours. MACD right now is actually looking like we're about ready to flip bullish, and the RSI looks reset, but that's what we're going to get into in the TA. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Pippi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Pippi right here. So we're looking at the half-hour chart right here. This coin's only 4 days old, so definitely do your own research on it. But the chart right now, the 30 minutes, does look pretty promising right here with the green candle. The MACD is losing its bearish momentum, heading towards a bullish crossover, but it is noted that we did have a bullish fake out right here. So we'll see if this time around we can actually break through and work our way to the upside there on the MACD. RSI does look pretty good too. We put in a double bottom right here. We actually put in a higher low, so that's indicative of a trend reversal there for the RSI in the short term. Now, if we look at the long term, I normally look at the day chart plus, but since it's the rather new coin, we're going off the short term time frames. 1 hour chart right here is looking kind of promising. Unfortunately, though, we did put in a lower high right here. That's the only concerning thing that I see right now, because from the start you had a higher high, higher low, 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 and you just put in a lower high. So first time in NBA history, we put in a lower high. But the great part about this is the indicators aren't overbought. Normally, when you put in a higher or lower high, the indicators are overbought, which in turn draws you down to a bearish movement to the downside. But look at this powerful support area at the 0.5. This is the main area that we want to focus on here for Pippi, is about 0028. That's an area of confluence. You can see that was a pretty big support going all the way back to 22nd earlier this morning, and that was a heavy resistance on the 21st. So there is already some price volatility around that price range of around 2.8. Now, before I invest in meme coins, obviously I do my own research, which you guys probably should too. They do have their Telegram link, Twitter link, and website link all on their deck screener, which we are going to look at their website. This is their website. I know they say don't judge a book by its cover, but I do judge meme coins by a website. If it has a shitty website, I won't even look at it. But this actually looks pretty cool. The original Rebel Girl now starting her exciting crypto adventure. I have a ship of my own and I travel around the world. Would you like to come with me? Is this based off of some sort of cartoon or something like that? Oh, you right here. You might remember me from the famous book, Beloved Cartoon Character, or most rebellious 9-year-old girl you have ever met. I am not your typical girl, redhead with piglets, freckles, and always dressed according to my own will. So pretty interesting, guys. Pippi. Now, another thing I look at here is their Twitter. How active are they? When you invest in a cryptocurrency or meme coin, you want them to be active on social media, right? You investing in a cryptocurrency, it's kind of your ticket into the community. All meme coins pretty much are communities, right? And if they're not active on their socials, then why are you even investing in them? Meme coin, which they are very active on their socials. They posted 2 hours ago. They applied for CoinGecko, which is awesome. There's an application request, so you can verify that. They posted 8 hours ago. They posted 8 hours ago. They posted 10 hours ago. They posted 10 hours ago. So they're constantly posting here, which is awesome. I love the constant posting. Not that it's showing the people, showing your community that you are active. It's a great way to be seen, guys. When you're constantly putting yourself on Twitter, people will stumble across that and be interested in the coin. Like, hey, what's this? I'm gonna check it out. So when you're investing in a project, it's always nice when the coin is very, very active. It looks like another YouTuber did a video on it. You should check that out. I've never seen that dude before. But the chart, yeah, the chart's not looking bad. Hopefully, we hold up support here at around the 2,800 micro penny. It does look promising that we will, because that was a price volatility point back in April, or back on the 21st. But time will tell here. I do like the small market cap and liquidity ratio. It looks pretty promising. Another thing I like to look at here is the holders. What do the holders look like? If there's holders that are holding like 10% of supply, that's kind of a red flag to me. So just to be fair warned, I have not checked this prior to the video, so we'll see what pops up if it once it loads. If we look at holders here, so the holders are under 5%, which is nice. So there's no real one person holding more than 10% of the supply. Let it be known though, you can divvy up your wallets, but it is what it is. Welcome to crypto. It's just nice that there's not like 3 wallets here that have like 10% of supply each. So I always check that. It does look like Radium owns 13% of supply. But the chart doesn't look bad. Keep an eye on the support area here around 2,800, which I think is going to be approaching. And then from there, if we get a bounce off that, we could be working our way higher and extend us to the next higher high, which is the 1236 here at 006, which in turn would continue this uptrend resistance area, as you can see right here. You can see the uptrend resistance area since the very beginning 4 days ago. We hit it here, we hit it here, we hit it here, we hit it here. So the next reasonable outcome would be hitting it here at around 5 or 6. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.